But the key key to using flash is that you can create dimensions in your photography. Meaning you can darken your background and make your subject pop with flash on it, right? Remember guys, your eyes will go to the brightest part of the image. If your subject is competing in luminosity, and luminosity is just a fancy word for light, amount of light. If your subject is competing with the ambient light, when users look at the picture, the eyes are going to be all over, not on the subject, and the subject is the most important part of the picture. So that's why we can safely take those environmental pictures, environmental portraits, with all of those trees, with all of those beautiful things, and people are going to still be locked into the subject because the background is darker and the foreground is a little bit has a little bit more light. So that's why it's important to know. That's why it's important to know how to use flash, how to balance your flash with ambient light. But like I said and showed you, not everything needs to be dramatic. Not everything needs to be super dark outside, super dark background, and a well-lit subject.